actually will travel back over here. And so it's very kind of diffuse looking on there. Right? So but all this stuff right through here is the small intestines. So here's all the small intestines. And the large intestine is usually a lot easier to kind of find. But the large, this structure right here, and make sure that you look for the bearings on there before you put an answer down. So if you see something that looks like this is the ceacum. Okay, this is the ceacum. Here is the large intestines right here, and this rat is really just, his guts are just kind of all mangled in there. Okay. So, but here you can see the large intestines. Oh, the one other thing, I put absorption of water, vitamin K, something super important that I forgot about up there. Fecal formation. Right? Right. So you're absorbing the water. I mean, we have been, I think I spent like 10 minutes talking about poop. Right? So, but fecal formation, you put that on there. And what kind of, what made me remember, see the structure right here? That's poop. Right? That's that rat dropping right here. So here's another rat dropping right there. And then that's going to come all the way out, and it's going to come out through the back end. See the pancreas. Oh, here we go. Here's the pancreas right here. All right. So this one's a little bit easier. So you can see part of the pancreas over here, right? Here's the spleen. Here's the pancreas. All right. The stomach is right here, and here's the part. Here's more of the pancreas. So you can see how pretty diffuse the pancreas is right there, right? So here's a large intestine right here. You can tell because here's a rat dropping right there as well. Hey, what's produced in the liver? Bile. What's the function of bile? Emulsification of fats, right? Right. What digests fats? Lipases. Where do you find lipases? Small intestines and from pancreas. Okay. All right. And then, but the pancreatic ones go down into the small intestine. Well, that's the digestive system right there. Right. So, and I'll go back and we'll do some more of the heart stuff. Right. So Monday, what we'll do on Monday is or Tuesday, Thursday next week, we'll do some, we'll take a look at the heart. Right, we'll take a look at some blood vessels.